Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install the Firefox browser on Oppo A77. And to do this we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Right here look for the Firefox. Now when you click on it you should see the install button like this. Click on that. When the installation process is complete you can open the app. And the first thing you will see is to set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. You can skip it, but I'm gonna go and use it as a main browser. Yeah. Also sign in to turn on synchronization between other devices that are using the same browser. You can skip it by clicking on Not Now. Enable or disable notifications. Any browser is ready. Open any website. As you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.